lecture is how the state government works. Our governments how works. Okay. In this case, in this lecture, are mention or discuss. Okay. Let's talk about this topic. On this topic means how our government works. Okay. First state. These state word are mentioned in Article 12. Okay. And Article 14 to 18 are mentioned related to equality. But if you see in Indian constitutions and Article 12, then state word, this term state are mentioned about this are mentioned in Article 12 of the Indian Constitution. So defines what defines state about state as okay. What define? Let's see in next legislature. Legislature about legislature about executive organs because these two organs of the union government okay. And one more each organ what judiciary okay. Three organs are government have three organs state three organs okay. Legislative first and second executive and third judiciary. Three organs of the union government. Indian government, you already clear our PM. Okay. Next, Indian Parliament. About Parliament. In short case, here are mentioned about Indian Parliament. What is Indian Parliament? Who are people of Indian Parliament? Lok Sabha. In Parliament, if you talk about Indian Parliament, then comes two house. Means first is Lok Sabha. In Hindi can be said. Okay, it is said in Hindi, and in English it is said of one house of the people. Okay, house of the people means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Council in English it is said Council of States. Okay, Council of States. Next we will see, but here are telling us about three organs of union government. First is legislative, and second executive, and third judicial. Here are not okay. Here are not judicial, legislative, and executive organs of the state government. Okay, these two organs of the state government. And here you can think okay about the judiciary. Here are not mentioned. Why? Because here two organs only are mentioned for the purpose of state government, and you can say judiciary comes in matter of union government. Okay, judiciary organs of the union government. But these three organs, if we talk about the three organs, legislative, executive, and judiciary, then these three organs comes in the union government. But only two organs, if we talk about only two organs, means legislative and executive. About legislative and executive organs, then these two organs comes in the matter of state government. Okay, state governments. Okay, because we already have seen legislative and executive organs of the union government, and about this related came Indian government. Here also we we are seeing about legislative and executive organs of the state government related to state government. But here comes related to state government, and here comes union government, means Indian government. Okay, and here here comes Indian Parliament. Okay, and here comes in the matter of in the case of state government, state legislative comes state legislature. Okay, state legislature. In the state legislature, what what are they? What are they? Legislative assembly. This is assembly. This is assembly. But what we say? What can we say? We can say legislative assembly means MLA, member of legislative assembly. Legislative council of states, also legislative council of states. These two in state legislature comes in state legislature. You can you can say difference between Indian Parliament and state legislature. What are the difference? Here in Indian Parliament comes two house. One Lok Sabha means House of the People, and the second are coming Rajya Sabha, Council of States, and opposite this comes in state in case of state government legislature, state legislature comes to what does comes to first is legislative assembly, okay, and second legislative council of states. Who are legislative, who are members of legislative assembly, we will in the next lecture, and also we will discuss about legislative council of states in the next lecture, okay, about Lok Sabha, and also about Lok Sabha and also Rajya Sabha, okay. But only to understand because we only to discuss how the our state government works, okay. So for information we need to this means Indian Parliament and state legislature, and we are clear you about difference Indian Parliament and state legislative. This is opposite, okay, each other this is opposite. Indian Parliament, state legislature, Lok Sabha, here are also two house, and here are also two first legislative assembly and second legislative council of states, okay. All local authorities, here are mentioned all local authorities. What are mentioned, what are telling us about municipalities, municipal corporation, nagar palika and nagar panchayats. In local, because we have seen about Indian government, about state governments, and now we are seeing about all local authorities, not only one about one side, okay, all local authorities. First is coming word municipalities, municipal corporation, nagar palika, nagar panchayat, and this member comes in municipalities, okay. And the second are coming here word is panchayats. In panchayat, what comes member, what does member comes? First member is Jila Panchayat, and second Mandal Panchayat, and third our Gram Panchayat. Okay, this member comes in panchayats, and this member comes in municipalities, and this member comes in state legislature, and this member also comes in Indian Parliament. Okay, okay. Who is an MLA? Okay, MLA. Here when we here talking was talking. Then about also MLA, member of Legislative Assembly. Okay, let's see about who is member, who is person, who is an MLA. You can say in clear word, who is an MLA. Full name will be member of Legislative Assembly. Member of the Legislative Assembly, in short, we say MLAs, are elected by the people. Okay, this is not appointed by anyone. This is elected by the people. These are elected by the people. Who member of the Legislative Assembly? They then this MLA become members of the Legislative Assembly. Then becomes when people are elected when people are elected MLA, then this MLA became members of the Legislative Assembly. Okay, then you can say in this part comes when people are elected MLA. Okay, and also from the government, and also from the government. You can say here form. Okay, okay, form because according to through governor appointed government when in state legislature in the process through process, if one person political party won will win, then appointed by then that political party chief person can appointed by governor. Okay, in this process we say that MLAs represent people. Okay, we can say this is representative and elected by people. Okay, we cannot say this appointed, this is appointed, these are appointed by anyone, by governor, because only government through governor can can be appointed by governor. Okay, till here we are clear. MLA should not be less than 25 years of age. Here are eligibilities, must be eligibility. If you should go in political leader, political parties, for if you want a member of Legislative Assembly, then age is maximum 25 years. Okay, must be. Okay, must be, because this is eligibility for according to our Indian constitutions, and this is are mentioned in our Indian constitutions because this is MLA, about MLA. MLA should not be less than. Here are telling us not should be less than 25 years of age. Upper will be upper of 25 years. Then eligible for MLA members, for members of Legislative Assembly. And next, he must be members of a AC or ST. In this regard, if he wants, any person wants to contest a seat reserved for them, what means SC and ST, contest a seat reserved for them, for this person. Every state in India has a legislative assembly. Each state of India has a legislative assembly. But in India means in a country, in a democracy country, has a Indian Parliament. In Indian Parliament, members becomes Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, House of the People and Council of the State. and third person becomes president of India. Okay. In short, we will say about this how the state government works. Okay. Here are mentioned about only state government. If here in this context are talking about Indian government, Indian Parliament, but must be will be related to this related to this question. Okay, state in our Indian constitutions in the article 12 are mentioned about state. What what can work state in Article 12 are mentioned. Okay, about works. Indian Constitution defines states as legislative and executive organs of the union government. Okay, but here, Indian Parliament comes member Lok Sabha, House of the People, and Rajya Sabha, Council, Council of the State. But we are going see difference between this Indian government and state governments. Legislative and executive organs of the state government. Okay. Also here, state governments, legislative. State governments means government of state. Indian government means government of India. State governments means government of state. Means our CM and our PM. State legislature, state legislature. In state legislature comes legislative assembly, and second is legislative council of the state. These two members becomes in state legislature. Okay, and this state legislature has you can say every state has a state legislature, and every country, every democracy country means India has a Indian Parliament. Okay, all local authorities. We saw about Indian government, and second side, second side, state about state governments, and third is coming about all local authorities. Means in rural areas and in urban areas. In urban areas comes municipalities. In municipalities, what are the members? Members are municipal corporation, Nagarpalika, and also Nagar Panchayats. These members becomes in municipalities, comes in urban areas, and next are coming about panchayats means member of a panchayat. What are the member of a panchayat? These are member of a panchayat. Jila panchayats, mandal panchayats, gram panchayat. You already clear now. You already know gram panchayat, village of panchayat, gram panchayat, village of panchayat, gram panchayat. Okay, this member becomes panchayats, comes in rural areas. Who is an MLA? This was question. Members of the Legislative Assembly. In short, we say MLAs are elected by the people, not are appointed by the people, and not this member of the Legislative Assembly are appointed, not appointed. Okay, with by anyone. Then they means this MLAs become members of the legislative assembly after elected by the people, and also form the government through appointed by governor. Okay, in this way we say that MLAs represent people. Okay, MLA should not be less than 25 years of the age. maximum above of 25 years of age. Okay, not less than 25 years. Okay, he must be a member of SC or ST if he wants to contest a seat reserved for them. Means these people, anyone wants to contest a seat reserved, they must be a member of SC or ST. Every state in India has a legislative assembly, and in our India has a Indian Parliament. Okay, in the next we will see about this what will next context. Okay, next text we will see in next. Move on further. A democracy. Here are saying a democracy. What means? People who elected their people representatives as member of the legislative assembly, means MLAs. MLAs elected by the people, and this is also called representative. Okay, because in our India has a democracy. Okay, and through democracy, people have power to elect their representative, to elect their MLAs. Okay, as members, because this is member in this MLA comes members of for legislative assembly, and through democracy people elect on a representative. Okay, then when through people elected a representative, any person, then that person becomes members of legislative assembly. How do people who are MLAs become ministers? We are agree, becomes MLS. Any persons according to people representative, according to this process, are elected a person. Okay, and a person is called MLS. MLS how does become MLS? Minister. Okay, you can say how does MLS become minister, or in another word, chief minister. Okay, chief minister. How is process? A political party which MLAs have won. Okay, MLAs have won more than half the number of the constituency in a state can be said to be in a majority. Okay, because this MLA for this MLA this MLA to win means you can say to be member of ministers, to become chief minister. This MLA have a majority, almost more than means 543. This is majority should. Okay, but half of 543 must be majority people have. Okay, MLS have. Okay, MLS have more than people. MLS have won more than half of the number of constituencies. Here comes word constituencies. Constituencies, what means? What do you understand? Constituencies means where are elected by people. Then we say that area is constituencies area, means election process in any area, are elected in any area, are election After election, before election, we can say that area is constituencies. Okay, and half the number of constituencies means area. Election of area of election people. Area of election through people. This is area, constituencies area. You can say election area. In a state can be said, we can be said to be in a majority. Okay, this if these people have won, then we can be said to be in majority. Okay, but must be more than half of the number, means 540. This is said, but half, how many will be? 250. Okay, 270. More than this number above. Okay, you can say above, more than this number. Okay, MLAs have majority, then we can say to be in majority MLAs. Okay, the political party that has the majority, because we are going talking about in from second sentence, political party. The political party that has the majority is called the ruling party. Okay, according through this majority, any persons no, not any persons. If MLS in legislative assembly, MLA members have more than majority through constituencies elections, then majority is called the ruling party. Okay, and all other, but one party is called a ruling party and other members are called opposition. Okay, because government govern a state, to govern country, only one government. Okay, then if any MLAs have more than half of the number of the constituencies, 540, I gave an example. If MLAs have more than majority, then this MLA has the majority. Is called the ruling party, and all the members remove this party. All other members are called opposition. We can say other members. We can say opposition of other members. Okay. The chief minister and other minister have to take decision, because why makes government, why does people makes a government, why does people select a government, MLAs? Okay, because to take decision, to make policy, to make laws. Okay, and also run the state by government, run the India by government. Okay, minister have to take a decision, chief minister and other minister have to take decision, means PM and CM. Okay, also MLAs run the government. We usually hear about them means about this. Okay, we usually hear about them or see them in the newspaper and also in the news channel. In a democracy, because our country has a democracy, in a democracy, these members can ask questions. Who are members? Debate an important issue, means these members. Other members are oppositions, means opposition members can ask question debate an important issue, decide where money should be should be spent. So they have the main authority, and also this means chief minister and minister have for ask questions. Okay, these members can ask questions on debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent. They have the main authority. This have main authority of members. Next are coming word constituencies. Just I said in this line, where in this line about the constituency, and here also mentioned about through one word constituencies. A particular area, okay, as I told, as I told you, a particular area from which all the voters live. Okay, where are election through voter living. Voter living means person living. Where that place, any place where persons are living, then and also we can say that persons have rights, universal adult guarantees. Okay, all the voters living their their representative according to universal adult apprentice rights. Okay, any persons have the rights to vote. Okay, in particular area, and we can say in this particular area, that is called constituency. This could be, for example, a panchayat board, an area that choose an MLA through panchayat board area, can select a MLA, member of MLA, member of legislative assembly. Opposition also, as I told about opposition, one member makes a ruling party, but other members what makes opposition makes. Okay, opposition becomes one party becomes a ruling party, and after one party, other party what does becomes opposition becomes. This refers to elect a representative who are not members, okay, who are not members of the ruling party, and who play the role of questioning government decision. Okay, this member, we feel this member are not a member of the ruling party, and this is called opposition party, and this opposition party play the role of questioning government decision and action, as well as raise new issue for considerations in the assembly. So, in this state legislative assembly, have been assembly, then through also opposition parties can these people can ask questions or decisions, and also decisions, but governor can decide. Okay, decisions and actions, as well as raise new issue for considerations in the assembly, and we will see in short about this. In democracy, people who elect their representative as member of the legislative assembly means MLA. This means you can say people have the authority, people have the powers to elect their representative, and through this democracy, people elect their representative as member of the legislative assembly. Okay, in short, they say MLA. How do people who are MLAs become minister? In the next step, chief minister. A political party whose MLAs have won more than half the number of constituencies means in a particular area who are living who are water living, okay, who are water living in a state can be said to be in a majority. If MLAs have majority, then we can say MLAs. What can say MLAs? MLA has the majority. Then we can say MLA is ruling party, and that MLA is ruling party. Ruling party and all other members are called opposition. One ruling party is selected, okay, by more than majority, okay, who have majority. Then one party is selected means ruling party, but other party, what becomes other party becomes other members are called opposition. And next will come constituencies, and also next word is opposition will come in the next headline. Okay, we will see about this two word. The chief minister and other minister have to take decision. Okay, we already know, and also prime minister have to take decision and run the government, okay, run the government. We usually hear about them or see them in the newspaper and also in the news channel. In a democracy, each member can ask this member, this two member is one, okay. These members can ask questions, any types of questions, any debate an important issue, and also decides where money should be spent through this minister. Okay, they have the main authority. Means this chief minister have the main authority to ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent. This is main authority. Okay, these are main authority. Next are coming word constituencies, and I just said you, but about constituencies and oppositions will come next headline. Constituencies a particular area means this is particular area, and in this area are water living person, and according to these persons can elect their representative, okay, their representative, and this area is called constituency, okay. This could be, for example, a panchayat board or an area means this area that choose an MLA. Okay. Next are coming word opposition, and we saw about opposition. Opposition, in short, you can say when one party means one MLAs have the major majority. You can say have more than number of majority, then that member is called ruling party. But after this other members, what becomes opposition. This refers to elected representative who are not members, yeah, of the ruling party, and this opposition play the role of a question government because this is member but not a member of ruling party, but a member of assembly. This is member of assembly. This opposition play the role of questioning government decision and also actions and to actions, as well as raise new issue or constitutions in the assembly. I am saying you this is member but not member of ruling party, member of assembly, legislative assembly. Okay, we will see in next term what will come in the next step. We will see. Next is about governor. Here are given about governor. What is governor? What means governor? What happens governor? Governor is what in your mind would be coming. Do you know about this before this lecture? Do you know? If you don't know, then let's understand and let's say about the governor. The governor is the chief executive. Chief executive. Executive is worker. Okay, worker. The governor is the chief executive head of the state. Okay, if I would say in own opinion, the governor is the chief executive. We already agree. Chief executive means worker. Chief means man, key. Okay, measure, head of the state means legislative assembly and legislative assembly. For example, our Indian Parliament, our Indian Parliament in our Indian Parliament becomes two members. So first is Lok Sabha and the second is Rajya Sabha. And here also two members becomes okay in the state legislature. Okay, and that two members that two members the governor is the chief head of the that two members. Okay, as our Indian government, our Indian Parliament becomes no. Our Indian Parliament becomes two house. First is Council of State, second is House of the People, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Also in the state legislature becomes two house, becomes two members. Okay, and these two members governor is the head. Okay, she ensures that the state government works within the rules and regulations of the constitutions. Yeah, this is necessary. This is necessity. This is compulsory. Any government who are any government, be any government, no, doesn't matter. But any government, any one government, every state government have to work within the rules and regulations of the constitutions. The state have to follow rules and regulations, articles and guidance of the Indian constitutions. Okay, because we are talking about Indian constitutions. Okay, this sentence what we learn any government if works in your area if any provides schemes, any makes policies, any take decision, but in this within live within rules and regulations of the Indian constitutions. Okay, and the next sentence are coming Article 153. This article says us that there shall be a governor. There shall be a governor for each state. Okay. Yeah. This sentence is also compulsory. It becomes important. Means if you see in our Indian constitutions of Article 153, then Article 153 provides us shall be a governor in every state. A governor shall be. Okay, shall be. Suppose in our India is has a Indian Parliament as a parliament, but this is one parliament, and one parliament is sufficient, okay, for making laws for Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. But state are many in India, so therefore this is reason here are saying each state shall be a governor. Okay, a governor according to this article, and the state government have to follow article 153. The governor is appointed by the president, okay, president of India. And the governor is appointed by the president, and minister is appointed by the governor, okay, and prime minister is appointed by the president, okay, president. This was about how our state governments works, okay. You can say in short, important sentence: shall be governor in each state, up to 153 articles, and ensures that state government works within the rule and regulations, okay, of the constitutions in the your territory. Okay, the governor is the chief executive worker, chief head of the states. Okay, this governor is appointed by the president. If here is chief minister, then chief minister is appointed by governor. In your mind, what will be coming here? Let's suppose here what is prime minister, then is also appointed by the president. Okay, this was last.